Introducing the CERA Plus Portable Coffee Maker, the epitome of compact and convenient brewing. Weighing only 1.4 pounds and standing at 8 inches, it's the lightest and most portable electric espresso machine with a heating function on the market. Perfect for travel, camping, picnics, and more, it comes with a protective carrying bag for your favorite capsules or ground coffee. With ceramic heating technology, it brews espresso in just 3 to 4 minutes, delivering rich crema and aroma at 20 bars of pressure. The rechargeable 7,500 mAh battery ensures multiple cups on the go, and its easy operation makes it a must-have for coffee enthusiasts.